Sum up the show in one word without using the title.
How are you giving me one word to do that?
That's really
It's a really difficult one.
I would say sass is
Electric.
Diverse and exciting.
fierce.
I can't do one word.
An amazing Liverpool story.
Fun.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
Intriguing.
Scouse.
There and best.
Tough love, but wrapped in sexy pink cotton wool.
Describe the show in one word. Chaotic, but in the good way.
It was bizarre,
Exciting.
Moving.
but it was interesting.
Community.
sassy and unique.
And it was fun.
Like a warm hug.
Sass.
I just want to binge watch it right now.
There isn't just one word that describes sass. There's a whole series. There's power, there's money,
It's fun,
there's health,
it's fabulous,
there's women,
it's sassy,
there's beauty,
it's gorgeous.
and there's friendship. I think it's all of those together.
Yeah, it's necessary. There's your one word.
I'm not going to sum it up. Come and see it for yourself and you'll find out.